morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kristen and I do fashion and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be unboxing my new Teddy Blake bag. So we are going to be doing an unboxing, talking about the brand, and giving a 100% honest review on my first impressions on this bag. Teddy Blake did reach out to me and ask if I would like to receive one of their bags for free, but before accepting, I did ask if I was going to be allowed to give my 100% honest review on this bag. And they said, yes, that is what we are looking for. So I was like, great. And they said I could go into their store and pick out any bag that I liked. And now here we are. So let's get right into the unboxing of this bag. With a team of Italian designers pitched from well-known luxury brands, Teddy Blake creates handbag designs for every style choice. If you don't see your Teddy Blake bag yet, subscribe and they release new collections every month. You can enjoy the feel and smell of real leather as all Teddy Blake bags are made with luxurious leather from Italy's finest pelteries, dyed and treated to withstand the test of time and maintain a luxurious look. Working in the same Italian factories as other luxurious brands and following the knowledge gathered from decades of experience in luxury leather, their laborers will turn a Teddy Blake bag into a work of art. Respecting the label's history, they make sure that each Teddy Blake bag is characterized by high quality construction, attention to detail, imaginative design, shape, and durability, using the same exquisite materials as all luxury brands as they never compromise on the quality. And you can enjoy up to 60% off if you use my link in the description down below. If you do decide to use this link, it will help support me and my channel, but at no extra cost to you. I also have an extra $30 off down below if you use my discount code TBKRISTENL30. I'll have it up on the screen here as well as in the description box down below. And it comes in 4 different textures at this time. There is pebbled, smooth, textured, or exotic. It's luxurious on the inside as it is on the outside. Every bag is made with high-end hardware, which gives an elegant shine but also durability. Now, Teddy Blake bags are supposed to last a lifetime. They're made from 100% genuine Italian leather. They use expert craftsmanship and make sure that the stitching is strong and the bag is durable. I personally picked a more timeless piece because I really believe if you're going to invest in a designer piece, that you should really go for the more timeless option so that you know that you can use it for the foreseeable future. This is the Kim Stampatto 9-inch in camel brown, which is this beautiful warm tone brown that I think is going to be absolutely perfect for the fall. I can just picture it with so many different outfits, and I'm so excited to start pairing this bag with some of my beautiful fall items. I love the gold hardware with the warm tone brown. I think it's just such a beautiful color combination. And the Stampatto texture on this bag is absolutely beautiful. I feel like it gives it a much more luxe look to the bag, but I can just tell on first impressions that this bag is very good quality. The stitching in it looks really nice. Everything feels very sturdy. It feels like it's gonna last a very long time. And I absolutely love the fastening details on this bag. I love that you have to actually like unlock the bag to get into it. So I live in Canada, so I don't really have to worry about like pickpocketing and things like that. But I am going on a trip soon, and I do kind of worry about that more when I go to places that are just unknown to me, because I don't know if that's like a thing that happens there or if I don't really have to worry about it. But I think this bag is perfect for that because it has these little locking details that just gives like an extra little security measure. It would take a lot to try and undo all of this and to actually get inside. Now, I don't think that's like why they include this on this bag, but I just thought it was an extra little tidbit or a little feature that I thought was very good and probably useful in a lot of different places. I just have to say it's a very, very luxurious experience opening a Teddy Blake bag. It comes in this beautiful box and you just unpackage it as beautiful quotes and tissue paper, and then the bag comes in packaging itself to keep it nice and safe in transit. This is actually the box here. It's just very, very nice, good quality. It's very strong, and it's somewhere you can keep your bag when you're not using it. And I know you won't be able to see this in the video, but there's actually like a magnetic closure on this box, which I think is really nice as well. And then of course the actual bag came in this little dust bag here, which I think is really nice as well. Adds that little extra luxury experience, and also is great because it's a dust bag. Throw your bag in here to keep the dust off of it. Perfect. And they were not lying about the interior of this bag being just as good of quality as the outside. When I first looked in, to be honest, I saw kind of like a grayish color, and I thought there was cardboard in the bag, and I was like, what the heck? But then I reached in and realized it's this like beautiful, just soft, luxurious fabric. It's just this really beautiful, soft, suede-like fabric in this bag. I also like it does come with like an extra little pocket, although it's very small. You will not be able to fit your phone in it, but obviously like any little bag, I can just throw my phone inside, and I can put my whole wallet in here as well. It's actually very, very spacious in this bag. I do not think you will run out of room if you have like your phone, your wallet, some lip balm, your keys, you know, everything that you would need as a necessity, I think will fit in this size of bag. But of course they do come in 11 and 14 inch as well, which I really like that they come with certain designs in multiple sizes, so you can really pick and choose depending on your lifestyle and what your necessities are. For me, my necessities were smaller and take up less room, so this bag was perfect for me. So based off of first impressions, I am already in love with this bag. I definitely think it is worth the money. It is definitely up there in the quality of some of my higher end bags. It does feel and smell like real genuine leather, which it is supposed to. And even though it does say Teddy Blake on the front here, it does say Teddy Blake made in Italy on the actual inside of this bag, which I think is really, really cool. I think it's cool that it's actually from Italy. I mean, I could be biased because my family actually extends from Italy. My family on my mother's side actually originates from Italy, and my Nana, she was actually very much into some very nice kind of expensive luxury pieces that just looked really beautiful, and I always thought she looked so classy. Even as she aged, she just always looked really nice, and I really aspired to be like that one day. It's just really full circle to receive something that's actually from Italy, somewhere that she grew up. So it just means a lot to me to have something that's actually made from the place that she was born and grew up in. But I am actually very impressed with this bag. The quality, again, feels very, very durable. I feel like this is a timeless piece that is actually going to last you a lifetime, like the company says. And this is just my first impression, so I can give you guys an updated review once I've used it for a while. But just let me know in the comments below if you would be interested in that. And then maybe like a year or 6 months from now, once I've really broken this bag in, we can come back and review this bag again and just see how it has changed. I mean, we have it documented on camera of the quality and condition it is in right now, so we'll see. In 6 months to a year from now, we'll see if it has changed at all. But that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up down below, and also make sure you subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos. And just a huge thank you again to Teddy Blake for sending me this bag. It's absolutely beautiful, and I'm so excited to start pairing it with outfits in my wardrobe. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!